Sit on your mat with both legs outstretched, connecting with your sit bones. Bend into your right knee, placing the sole of the foot on the inside of your left thigh. Reaching up, and as you exhale, lift out of your pelvis, sinking your chest towards your thigh, taking your hands towards your left foot. It doesn't matter where your hands land. Maybe it's your shin, your ankle, or your foot. You can take a soft bend to that left knee if it feels more supportive. You're just finding a shape that works for your body and begin to breathe here. Allow the back of the body to gently lengthen, noticing where you can soften without needing to move. After a few breaths, slowly come back up and straighten your right leg, changing sides. Bending into your left knee, placing the sole of the foot on the inside of your right thigh. Inhale, lift and lengthen through your spine. Exhale, reaching toward your right foot, bowing your forehead. Inhale to find space. Exhale to deepen as you take a few breaths here. Taking the breath towards that space you feel you've created in your back body. And then gently come back to center. And now extend both legs out in front of you. And using the same approach, draw your pelvic floor inward and upward, your navel inward and upward. Inhale, reach up toward the sky. And as you exhale, lift your upper body out of your pelvis and fold forward toward your feet or your shins. You can soften at the knees here if that feels better. Inhale, create space. Exhale to move just a little deeper, staying with your breath, allowing the body to respond in its own time. And when you're ready, inhale and gently return to an upright seat.